Network Entertainment.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Kaya Pa Ba? And of course, dahil bagong taon na, mas matanda na tayo, I invited somebody sa podcast na I think might know a thing or two or maybe a million about how it is like to age and be a tito and a tita and tumibay along the way. Please welcome back to the podcast, this time in drag, the one and only Tita Baby.
Hello everyone! Diyos ko ba, suking-suki na ako dito.
Correct.
Konti na lang sala ko na siya.
Correct.
Hello everyone! Thank you for having me again.
Of course, I had you na out of drag. I
Yes.
had you in drag. Next time yan, siguro nakapambahay ka na lang. Yun na lang
True,
yung
true.
kulang.
Ay nako, I wish. Nako, pwede ko pumunta na kapambahay para relax, di ba?
Correct. So, I got you here because let's just call it, it's an aging episode. The age issue, sabi nga ng
Parang
Vogue,
sino pang
diba?
i-interviewin nyo, no? Ay, ako na nga yung pinakamatanda sa 3 seasons ng Drag Race.
Correct. Pero I am about to turn 35 in a few months.
Bagets.
And for some reason, yung difference ng 34 sa 35, it feels very, very significant.
Medyo.
Oo.
Medyo. May tanong ako sa'yo. Sabi mo, medyo significant. Ito, simulan na natin, ang mga pagmamaldita ng tita nyo.
Puksaan,
Sabi mo, nagulat ka, 35, meron bigla ka ng mga nararamdaman. Ano to? Parang is it something that pakonti-konti mong naramdaman o nandun ka na agad? Parang pagising mo,
Honestly, pa konti-konti
Yeah,
siya.
okay.
I think yung usual tita trope of tipong masakit yung likod, hindi naman ako masyadong worried about that.
Yeah.
Pero I think it's the energy part.
Ay.
Because tayo, we perform for a living. For some reason, I guess I just have to accept it na isa na po akong full-fledged tito. Like, it takes me longer to bounce back. Like, kunyari,
True.
I do a 2-hour improv show.
True.
Like, usually the following day, kaya ko mag-improv ulit, mag-host ulit. Like, no joke, the day after, sabi ko, parang gusto ko lang tumunganga sa pader. So, Tita Baby, ano po ang explanation sa ganong energy? And is it gonna get better for me?
I think, hindi, it's just downhill from there. Hindi. Ako, interestingly, kaya ako tinanong sa'yo yung first question ko because ako, nagulat na lang ako na parang, bakit ako antuken? Bakit parang, hindi, I can't party. Party girl ako nung bata ako eh. Excuse me ha. So parang I cannot party every night ng sunod-sunod, which I used to do. Ngayon it takes like longer to recover.
Correct. Yung totoo. Let's
Oo.
just expose you already.
Oo.
How long does it take you before you're fully confident again to be a social butterfly?
So kunwari, Friday,
Oo.
pumarty ako. Linggo na ako ulit pwede. Sabado hindi pwede. Tulog ako buong araw. Pati isip ko tulog ng buong araw.
Oh,
Ganun
yeah.
dati, hindi ganun eh.
Yeah.
Oo. Pero alam mo yun, parang that's part of being physically old and mentally older and wiser.
Wiser.
Alam mo, it all comes in that halo-halo na yun.
Yeah.
Hindi na
I think
siya-
the wiser part is definitely I am loving a lot. So, I mean, this episode is a January episode. So, parang, I guess in a way, parang yung episode ko na to, ima-manage ko na yung expectation ko sa sarili ko this year. Diba? The wiser part, I think, is such an exciting thing to experience.
True.
Honestly.
Totoo yan.
Wiser in terms of like, I am more sure of who I am, what I'm good at, what I'm not good at. And I think life is just really all about doing more of what works. And I feel like the more I age, the more data I have for myself. So in a way, I become more precise. So, Tita, is that true? Totoo ba yung phenomenon na yon?
If there's something that you need to be excited about growing up, it's that. Yung parang you're more confident of everything that involves yourself.
Correct.
Diba? Parang I know what my limits are. I know what my strengths are. I know my talents, my wants and likes.
The wants and likes as well is very
Oo,
important.
kasi di ba parang everything should be parang, this is what I need, this is what I need. Hindi. Sometimes, nako-compromise yung integrity ng pagkatao mo pag when you talk about needs. Ay,
Yes.
ngayon wala nang needs. What I want, because what I want is what I need.
Ooh!
Alam ko na yon. Dati magkaiba yun eh. Ngayon alam
Correct.
ko na that this is what I need because this is what I want and vice versa.
Yeah.
So that's something that you have to look forward to growing up.
And also I think the energy of being confident in telling everyone what you need and what you want is, I feel like, a whole other layer pa. Because parang tumitibay lang yung confidence ko as I grow old. Which is interesting because I think, I don't know, when I was in college, early 20s, it was downloaded sa akin na parang the poster of confidence is like somebody probably in their late 20s. Diba? But, my God, I'm 34 now. Pag inisip ko lang yung sarili ko like nung 29 or 28, that was not confidence for me. That was just me trying to make it look like, oh, I'm a grown person. I can be confident. I can fake it.
True.
Diba?
True. At saka pag malakas ang katawan mo, pag tumambling ka, confident kang tumambling. 'Di ba? Kung hindi na ganun kalakas ang katawan mo.
Yeah.
And frankly, however strong you are at your 20s, 'di ba? Kahit na athlete ka pa.
Correct.
When you reach 30 or 40, your body is a little bit, more mature also.
Correct.
So kahit na athlete ka nung bagets ka, you're never going to be as strong as when you were in your 20s. So mas kailangan mo ng confidence in terms of doing the things that you want.
Correct.
At a certain age.
Which I'm quite curious because, you are a drag performer. Your profession is widely known for flips, stunts, splits, athletics, sometimes even pyrotechnics, right?
Oo, true.
So, because you also want to keep getting better at your craft, how do you marry that particular energy with the energy of age?
I think babalik ako dun sa nabanggit natin earlier that when you grow older, you're wiser, you know who you are more, and you're more confident with who you are and how you carry yourself. So, nung nag-drag ako, di ba, parang too late na for me to split. At saka too late na sa akin tumambling-tambling.
Ang kaya mo na lang splitting headache.
Oo, tsaka mag-split ng mga mani. Ganun. Doon ako nagsisplit. So, doon mo ma-discover yung you need to embrace what your strengths are. So like me, my strength is not dancing, although I know how to dance.
And you can.
Oo, pero hindi lang ako hard dancer. Actually, sorry, I'll correct myself. Hard dancer ako. Hirap na hirap ako sumayaw. Hard na hard sa akin mag-dance.
Correct.
Di ba? Pero at the same time, parang I know who I am, I know my strengths, I know what I want. So that's where I'm shaping my drag
Got it.
into.
Yeah.
I host.
Yeah.
I talk. I'm a life coach in my real life. So parang I use that also as part of my strength as a drag queen. So I don't need to be like everybody else
Yeah.
who dances hard, splits, do jumping,
Say
accent,
their
etc.
names. Charing!
Kaya nga napauwi ko si Charot! But, di ba, parang
No, yeah.
now that I know my strengths and I enjoy talking actually.
Aha.
Sino ba naman ang titang di mahilig magdadaldal, di ba?
Yes.
So I use that as my edge.
Yeah.
So for those who are interested in doing drag, di ba, find an edge, find something that will complete your uniqueness.
Yeah.
And I found that already.
Natuwa ko na sa sinabi mo na parang you are also a life coach. Parang you use your experience sa drag to inform that. I also feel like as I spend more years on this planet, as somebody that tumitito, parang mas na-realize ko na ako lang din pala yung nag-set ng block sa utak ko.
Correct!
Na, if I want to be, parang iba yung creativity ko for like corporate brand stuff. Iba yung creativity ko for comedy. When I feel like, it's the same muscle. Sino ba nagsabi sa akin magkahiwalay yun? Diba? And I feel like, that's a particular lesson na I feel like to the children out there who are listening, the sooner you actually realize na you don't need anybody's permission to concoct your specific branding, I think it's very exciting once it clicks sa'yo na parang, no, I can do whatever I want.
Pero to add to that, what you said, Baus, you need to go through that journey of discovering yourself kasi.
Tama naman.
Hindi yan parang, I'm at my 20s. Alam ko na kilala ko na yung sarili ko. Before you know it, ay mali ka pala. 'Diba? So keep on discovering yourself. Because for me, ako personally, this may not be something that will apply to everybody. It took me a lifetime to figure out who I really was.
Yeah.
'Di ba? And I think that's one thing that looking back as a tita now, parang give yourself enough grace and kindness to make mistakes, discover yourself.
Yeah.
Para pagdating mo ng 30 or 40, pag tumitita ka na, matibay ka na rin,
I
di ba?
love it,
Hindi na yung
diba?
basta-basta ka na lang nangangapa.
Yeah. I think it's the grace and kindness part that is actionable for younger people. Nakakabaliw po talaga to make mistakes in your 20s.
Oo, tsaka pag matanda ka na, Baus, ito feeling ko na-experience mo na eh. Parang wala ka na masyadong regrets.
Yeah.
Or regrets, no? Regrets.
Pero yung regrets, yeah, I think it's because I think when you eventually like hit your 30s, you realize na you can't live in regret because if you change one thing, you change everything.
Well, that too.
Diba? Meaning tipong I
That
would
too.
like to say I am living my best life. I am incredibly happy with the life that I have, though I am at my most tired right now. Pero kasi it's because everything led to that. Like, yung mga inoti ko sa advertising, yung mga boss kong pinainit yung ulo ko, yung mga taong hindi nagbayad ng utang sa akin, parang it all equipped me to be better.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, absolutely. At saka, there's what we call, di ba, what ifs. Sometimes, what if ganitong ginawa ko or what if ganyan ang ginawa ko? We shouldn't dwell on that. Ang what ifs lang that you should dwell on are what ifs that you can still change. Kasi usually, ang mga what ifs natin, di ba, parang what if ginawa ko to last year? What if ginawa ko yan? Ay, fictional na lang po kung ano yung naiisip niyong resulta nun. Kasi tapos na siya.
Yes.
So it doesn't make a point if you spend time on dwelling on what
Yeah.
ifs. Unless yung what if nga is, what if gawin ko to bukas?
Yes.
Diba?
Saka maganda
Future-looking.
yung what if is yung mababago mo. Like, kunyari, I mean, guys, the back pain part na lagi na lang cliche sa mga tito, it boils down to, I think, what if I took my nutrition much better or at a much younger age?
Pero pwede mo pang habulin yun,
So, pwede mo pang habulin yun.
Pwede mo pang habulin yun.
Correct. So, again, yung mga supplements are your friends.
Yes.
Honestly,
Yes.
pag nagpupunta ako ng cash and carry minsan, it feels like my Disneyland. Kasi andun lahat
Yes.
ng kailangan kong supplement, di ba?
Oh, tsaka the diet.
The diet.
The diet that you take, the activities that you do.
Yeah.
Kailangan active ka pa rin.
Yeah. And I think the diet is not just a food thing. I think it's
No.
also the emotional diet.
Oh yeah.
Meaning like
what you consume mentally.
What you consume mentally and the atmosphere you are a part of. Diba? If feeling mo toxic yung mga tao sa paligid mo, mama, that is the emotional diet that needs to be addressed right away.
Correct.
Emotional diet, you know what? I think I just coined the term. Emotional diet must be taken seriously.
Oh,
Diba?
choose the people you consume.
I mean,
Choose the
yeah, correct.
conversations you consume.
No,
the content that you consume.
Yes, definitely.
Oh.
'Di ba? Kasi law of attraction, if ang nasa paligid mo mga taong alam mo na, questionable.
Oo.
Insert name of your boss here, kayo na bahala. And then, 'di ba, that can really affect you. Yeah.
Ikaw, Baus, pag gumigising ka sa umaga, are you on your phone agad?
I am. And
Guilty.
honestly, ang ginagawa ko ngayon is, in a week, I try to parang, okay, if majority of this week, pagkagising ko, nag-phone na ako agad. Baka on some days, ibinabago ko rin yung diet ko noon. Meaning, baka may mga certain days this week na pagkagising ko, talagang magme-meditate muna ako bago ako tumingin ng Reddit.
Yeah.
Diba?
Pareho tayo. Kasi ang dali-daling bumangon, tapos
Diba?
habulin mo lang yung telepono mong ganyan,
Correct.
tapos magdo-doom scroll ka na.
Especially
That
because
actually
yung
sets
alarm
your
mo,
day.
yung phone mo eh. So, di ba, pagkapatay mo ng
Oo.
alarm, isang app na lang, nandun ka na sa chismis. Di ba?
Eh ngayon tita na ako, di ba? At saka ikaw tumitito ka na.
Yes.
Parang part of your pagiging matibay
Yes.
as a tito is to be aware na, ay, teka muna.
Oo.
This will set the day.
Yeah.
Pag nagbasa ako ng mga something that are negative online.
Oh, so,
ay,
yeah.
pass.
So, part po ng emotional diet nyo yun, kung ano ang una nyo tinitignan,
Correct.
pagkahawak nyo ng telepono nyo.
True.
Oh my God, may nagsabi sa akin, wow, telepono ang tawag sa cellphone, age reveal yarn. Grabe naman.
Ganun ba yon?
Telepono?
Pag telepono?
Sabi nila.
Bakit? Telepono ba ang Tagalog ng cellphone?
But also, I think the tito and tita mindset, may mga kilala ko na parang 20s pa lang sila, it kind of resonates with them. I think,
Oh, really?
yeah, because parang, I just wanna be a tita and, sleep early and then pahid-pahid the oils and the essences. Ang gusto ko doon is parang merong positive representation yung pagiging tita na it can be a healthy era or choice that you make, diba?
For the young ones.
For the young ones, yes.
I think, ito, one thing that I've noticed, the younger ones, 20s and early 30s, they don't drink as much as they used
That
to.
is true.
They don't party as much as we used to.
Correct.
I think they're learning from the mistakes.
Yeah.
Nilalaglag-
Your mistakes.
Nilalaglag ko yung sarili ko.
Oh.
The young ones are learning from the mistakes of the older generation.
Mm-hmm.
Because nakita na nila, pag-party ka ng party, eventually, sakit,
Yes.
sakit ng katawan.
Yeah.
I mean, that can also parang pull you down from your financial or your career successes.
Yeah, because it will affect your productivity.
Yung work hard, party hard, naku, narinig ko na yan.
She also lived it already.
Oh, true.
Diba?
So, I think it's a good thing that there are young ones that are becoming titos and titas in the sense that their mindsets are more mature than their actual age.
Oh, parang feeling ko talaga ang undercurrent nung being a tita pag nasa 20s ka is you just wanna make healthy choices.
Tama yun.
Yeah.
Tama yun. Mabuti yan. Good for you.
Good for
for
you.
your kids.
Oh.
Good
And
for
since
you.
actually since bagong taon na, meron ka bang specific healthier choice that you really want to commit to this year? It doesn't have to be like
Wala. Ikaw muna.
ako, ang isang healthy choice na bala ko talagang gawin is to like intentionally inject joy in every choice. Diba? Sorry, medyo profound Kasi
Maganda
yung
yun,
diba? Because yung akin, because you know me, I'm always parang, I'm the builder, I'm the producer in the spaces I am a part of. Ako yung nag-assemble ng first 5 steps for the team. So it can get parang masculine builder energy na parang get our hands dirty and all that. Pero parang no, baka parang pwede kong i-enjoy every step of it. So, because para lang ma-remind ko sa sarili ko na, boss, tandaan mo, ito yung buhay na pinangarap mo dati So enjoyin mo. Parang, oo, nakakapagod, pero sobrang enjoy, di ba?
Okay, I learned something from you today.
Oh.
Parang gusto ko na rin i-apply yan.
Talaga?
Kasi it's so easy to become negative in everything that's happening to you.
Yes.
Kahit na positive siya. Hanapan mo ng,
Yeah.
ay nako, traffic. Ay nako, ayoko nang lumabas Bakit pa ka lumabas? Girl, may trabaho ka. Buti nga may trabaho ka.
Yeah.
Yung ganon. Di ba? Parang, I think that's a really good point of view.
Yeah. Medyo kailangan mo
Gusto
siyang,
ko yan.
medyo kailangan mo pilitin sarili mo. Masaya ka dito sa ginagawa mo, di ba?
Oo.
Masaya ka.
Oo.
Kasi grabe rin yung boses of negativity minsan
Oo.
na baka the positive voice in your head, medyo kailangan mo siyang lagyan ng gigil para magsabong sila sa, I mean, very inside out lang, right?
Ang ganda nun Ako naman, siguro, I think, mas introspective siya. I wanna be more mindful of being parang kinder to myself. Kasi I am my harshest critic. So every gig, kunyari ito, every after podcast, every after gig, 'di ba? I find myself taking off my makeup and then thinking, dapat ito yung sinabi ko. Dapat ito yung ginawa ko. Dapat ito yung pinerform ko, etc., etc., etc. Berating myself for something that I wish I would have done
Correct.
10 minutes, 15 minutes ago. Di ba that eats up from your
Yeah.
from your positive energy.
Correct.
Wala ka na magagawa doon. So now I want to be a little bit more kinder to myself na
I don't
did a
think
good
that's
job.
necessarily bad because if iniisip mo what you could have done better sa performance, that could also mean that when you were performing, you weren't thinking about anything. So you were lost in the performance.
Pwede.
Which I feel
Actually.
like, 'di ba?
Kasi
is
when you're there, ayun na yun.
Diba? So parang of course, your ego will tell you, this could have been better. But the fact na nasuspend mo yung ego mo temporarily during the performance.
And just enjoy the moment.
So parang it was still a net positive for you, I think.
True.
I will charge you for that advice. I will charge you for that. But yes, we love you being this tita representation, of course, sa drag community and sa drag race. And to the new listeners here, and if you go back to the interview we did about this time last year, essentially.
Was it 1 year ago?
1 year, but it does feel like it's been forever, di ba?
Oo.
Alam ko na maraming kang tita in your life and also maybe in pop culture at that time when
Yes.
you were growing up that informed this amazing work of art.
I get this question all the time.
Oh.
In and out of drag. Sino yung why Tita Baby? What are my influences? The name Tita Baby as a name, sikat na sikat yan sa mga boomers noon. So imaginein mo yung my parents and yung mga kapatid niya and yung mga pinsan niya, yung mga kaibigan niya, ang daming baby ang pangalan. Promise. Siguro I had like 7 babies, tita babies. Na pag nagkikwentuhan kami, kailangan may apelido para lang malinaw kung sino pinag-uusapan namin.
Correct. Baka mali ang
Diba?
mashplok mo,
Oo,
di ba?
parang,
Oo.
uy, tinakbo sa ospital si tita baby, ano?
Sino?
Silang 7? So, laging may apelidong kasama yon.
Correct.
And then I figured out na hindi lang pala ako ang may tita baby na multiple. In my generation, Gen X po ako, Generation X. In my generation, ang dami naming tita na baby ang pangalan. Na hindi magkakakilala, iba-iba pa yun ha. So parang it became like a generational punchline for us na
Yeah.
parang, ay, ang dami palang tita baby. And at the same time, because they were boomers, there was specific characterization of what titas are. Yan yung mga pag nakita mo nga sa reunion, di ba? Parang, tumataba ka na. O kailan ka mag-aasawa, sila yan. No? Some are kinder, some are much worse than that. So, and I think the trauma that I had with growing up as an LGBT, especially pa, growing up as an LGBT and just as a pamangkin of everybody else, yung trauma nun, I think that seeded the humor that I have as a tita right now.
Oh,
Yan ang mga
got it.
influence ko, mga totoo kong tita in my life.
Yeah.
At saka, yung mga characters on TV, I'm sure, kilala niyo si Tita Nova Villa. I'm sure kilala niyo yan. May character siya noon. Tita siya. Maraming tita sa TV noon na pinaghugutan ko rin ng character.
Yeah. Pero kasi kaya ako gusto what resonates with me sa tita character mo is, I think the confidence and the no BS efficient ako kausap na, 'di ba? Parang in a way, tumitita ka pero sobrang ang tibay mo rin with words, meaning when you say something, you mean it and you don't beat around the bush.
Yeah, I think that is a function of becoming wiser and
Got it.
figuring out who you really are, what you want. You know, I don't actually care so much what other people think of me anymore.
Yeah.
And that's the reason why I went into drag, even before Drag Race.
Yes.
Kasi di ba now, when you become a drag queen after Drag Race, parang, okay, na-inspire ka ng Drag Race.
Very much so.
But I wanted to become a drag queen just because I enjoy theater so
Love
much.
that.
And the character of being that confident woman
Yeah.
na parang I don't care about what other people say.
Yeah.
Na nasa buhay ko siya. And even behind the drag, I find myself becoming that confident person na natutulak ni Tita Baby.
Laging sinasabi yun, di ba? Basically, the confidence that you get to access while you're in drag is free for you to use and maximize when you are out of drag. Yun ang nakakatuwa sa kanya. But also, I think it's just confidence in general. I think pag tumitito ka or pag tita ka na, it's a gift to be confident.
Ikaw ba, Baus, are there like things that you are more confident about now? Bilang tito ka na rin?
Oo naman. I think dati kasi I was always so careful of coming across too strong pag may biglang meeting, pag may brainstorming and when I talk na parang because I felt like I was always sure of what I want and how I am going to communicate it. So parang now I still speak that way. I'm still very sure and I'm assertive that way, but I am less apologetic for
for being
because
that.
people say like I'm too direct. Well, the world can't be full of confused people. Oh, di ba?
True. Totoo.
So, ayun, it's that confidence I think is very important. And ang representation ko growing up is talagang I just wanted I had a very confident mother and then tatlo sila magkakapatid, meron siyang tatlong sisters na sobrang confident din. So parang I was raised in an environment na parang strong female figures. Na I think it's really such a gift.
And now, because of this conversation, nababanggit mo kanina yung pag tumitita ka na, tumitito ka na, tumitibay ka pa rin. I feel like yung word na tibay is deeply rooted in self-confidence.
Yes.
'Di ba? Hindi lang siya
Yeah.
purely physical.
Yeah.
Mental siya, and the way you see life, the way you see yourself.
Yeah.
When you're a little bit more confident about yourself, you can actually achieve things that you've never
Yeah.
achieved before.
Yeah. Saka yung term na
Yun
tibay,
yun.
it acknowledges that there are environmental factors around you, but you get stronger.
True.
Yun yung gusto ko sa word na tibay. So, fairness. Give ko yun. Diba?
Kudos to you, Baus.
diba?
Ha? Exciting maging tito? Exciting ba?
I am embracing it one breath at a time. Yes. Oo. And on that note, we're gonna take a very quick break and continue the titahan namin with Tita Baby. Of course, this wonderful episode is sponsored by Bear Brand Adult Plus. Kahit tumitito, tumitita, tumitibay ka naman. Diba?
Correct! Cheers tayo dyan, Baus.
Cheers tayo. We're gonna milk this moment. May gatas ka pa sa labi.
Ang sarap.
Literal.
No, tsaka sa dibdib.
Correct.
Tumulo.
Yes. So, of course, Bear Brand Adult Plus helps you in strengthen immunity, focus and
Correct.
concentration, and brain
Brain
function. Kailangan natin yan.
Oo, lalo na pag tumitito ka na.
Lalo na kapag
Diba?
drag queen ka.
Ay,
Kailangan
nako,
mo lahat.
Oo. Lahat ng function, di lang brain. Liver function, kidney function. Pero si Bear Brand Adult Plus siya na bala sa brain function.
Correct. At obviously, kita nyo naman sa suot ni Tita Baby, siya ang itinanghal na Miss Bear Brand 2026.
Hindi pwedeng Mama Bear, Papa Bear lang. Kailangan may Tita Bear din.
Honestly, Bear Brand.
Di ba?
Where is that infographic of the Tita Bear?
Oo.
Diba? But yes, thank you, Bear Brand Adult Plus, for sponsoring this wonderful episode.
Thank you.
And we are back with Tita Baby. So of course, puro pa rin to titahan, titohan. But I guess next, ang gusto kong malaman is, while yes, you are already a woman of a certain proud and a bold age to look at the glass,
Ready
the
na
milk
ako
glass,
for mature roles, no?
half full, diba? But I guess I also want to know, which parts of your life do you still kind of keep maybe like a childlike disposition? Because kailangan natin yan eh. Diba? That's also part of the emotional diet.
Yeah, I think it comes out when, alam nyo na naman to, hindi naman to sikreto. Di ba meron akong boyfriend? So magkasama kami. We're very playful to each other when we're together. And when I say playful ha, as in yung nag-aasaran kami, naghaharutan, nagtatawanan, minsan nag-iinisan. Pero that's part of the playful.
Yeah.
Di ba? Parang kami dalawang bata na naglalaro, tutuksuhan, ganon. Pero no hard feelings. We laugh at each other. We laugh at ourselves.
Yeah.
And when we're together, parang we have our own bubble. So, yun, we are each other's safe space.
I love that. Kasi ganyan din kami ng jowa ko. Marami kaming mga stuffed animals na, yes, parang feeling ko right now, like we would spend good money for like a really nice looking like anime character na pwedeng yakapin. Because ang
Okay.
ginagawa namin, so meron kaming trope sa bahay na yung mga stuffed toy na yun ay mga anak namin. Tapos bago kami matulog, meron kaming parang theater, Sesame Street playtime. As in, ganun ka.
As in between the two of you lang.
Oo, kami
O,
ganun
diba?
na. So parang in a way, kasi if you think about it, like playing pretend and storytelling, parang before
Oo,
sleeping, parang it encourages a sense of play. Para lang kahit pa paano mas relax. And it is much easier to fall asleep knowing na, you know, you are playing. So,
Yeah.
so guys, wag kayong mahiya. Kung marami kayong mga stuffed toy collection dyan at kayo ay trentahin na,
Correct.
okay lang.
At saka, I don't think you need to have a partner to enjoy yourself.
Exactly.
Kasi sometimes, di ba, pag mag-isa ka, ini-imagine mo pa rin, pinanonood ka ng ibang tao kahit mag-isa ka. So parang nagpapaka-main character energy ka.
Yes.
Wala namang nanonood sa'yo.
Oo.
So parang pa-prim and proper ka pa din, di ba?
Yeah.
Minsan just let go.
Yeah. And that is
Just
also, I
be
think,
yourself, enjoy.
that is something you learn din as you age. Is tipong, again, like, kung gusto mo mag-introduce ng sense of play sa buhay mo, go ahead. No one is stopping you.
Tsaka ano yan parang because of how we are taught and programmed by the society and everybody else, na parang habang tumatanda ka, hindi ka na dapat naglalaro.
Correct.
Wrong. The more playful you become, the more creative you are really.
Yes. And I think the more you need it as well. To
Yes.
kind of like to keep exciting your brain.
Oo.
Para yung brain function of it all is kahit papano, parang, alam mo yun, in proper condition yung utak mo.
So kayong dalawa ng jowa mo, how long have you been together?
10 years.
Diba?
Diba?
Kami ng jowa ko, 8.
Oh.
On to our 9.
So we must be doing something right.
The playfulness and the,
Yeah.
diba?
Yeah.
Yun.
It is very, very important. But also, I guess, dahil tita ka, it wouldn't be a tita episode without an advice. Or just like a whole conversation about advice. So, nung hindi ka pa tita, di ba?
Nung tito pa ako.
Nung hindi
Kanina, 4 hours ago, tito ako.
Tito ka. Nung hindi ka pa tita, I guess like, ano yung famous advice na binibigay sa'yo ng mga tita na parang
Okay.
ngayon lang nag-make sense? Because
Okay.
dati parang habat ko kayo susundin.
Marami akong narinig na advice from titas, titos when I was growing up. Some are very valid and most of them are very unsolicited, di ba? So, yan ang trait ng advice ng tito at tita. Unsolicited sila. Pero I think there's one very important and siguro subtle advice that they've given me, that life is short. Do what you want to do as early as you can because life is really short. For those who are in their 20s and perhaps siguro early 30s, hindi nyo maiisip that life is short because you are still, alam mo yung nag-grind ka di ba? Parang, I want to achieve success. I want to find a job. I want to do business. Parang you're so focused on that. But before you know it, you're 40. Kasi you're so focused on living a life that, you want to achieve.
Yeah.
And then before, yun nga, one day, gigising ka na lang, oh my God, I'm 40. What do I have to show for it?
Yes.
For myself. And sometimes success is just driven by external forces.
Ooh.
Kailangan may negosyo ka. Kailangan mayaman ka. Kailangan may kotse ka. Kailangan may pamilya ka. Kailangan, lahat ng kailangan, that's what you strive for.
Yeah.
And that's why you can't find yourself who you are as early as 20.
Yeah. I think yung life is short na yan, more and more, it is becoming something that is incredibly real to me. Kasi minsan pa nag-e-emote ako sa jowa ko, sinasabi ko na parang, it is kind of unfair that you kind of meet someone who is your safe space, who is the love of your life.
Yeah.
And then you realize, wait, we only really have a very limited amount of time
Yes.
on this planet.
Oo.
Na parang alam mo yun, parang when you toy with that idea, you realize, oh wow, like I really have to make it count. Not just in your
Absolutely.
career, but also like in the relationships that fuel your soul. Like, because there are very few people who I am okay spending like all the time with, and to just know na, oh my God, when we eventually get old, in a way that is also the beauty of life because we are only here for a very limited amount of time. It is like making the most out of it.
True. Siguro to drive my point further, no? For those who watch Drag Race Season 3 and whatever season you've watched, ako po ang pinakamatanda doon. Kahit lumabas pa po yung Selection Royale. Ako pa rin po ang pinakamatanda doon by far. No? But when did I realize or when did I discover drag? It was just 8 years ago. I was 41.
Wow.
41 when I discovered drag. And in the show, if you watched it,
Yeah.
nasabi ko yun that this is the most successful I've ever been in my life. Successful and happiest. Kaya ako na-realize parang, oh my God, tama nga yun yung sinasabi ng mga tito at tita ko. That yes, life is short. If I discovered drag earlier, then I could have enjoyed drag longer.
That's true.
I would have, played with the craft longer, deeper, more relationship with myself in drag. Pero hindi, I discovered it at 41. Diba? And if we follow what is, kumbaga parang the trend in life, diba, the older ones are the ones who check out earlier. No? So, how many more years can I enjoy drag?
Yeah, gets.
So ngayon narinig, oh my God, ang iksi nga ng buhay.
Yeah. But also, I love na sinabi mong sa Drag Race, you felt that you're at your most successful and at your happiest because those two are never really always together.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, either you have money
Aha.
pero wala ka namang health.
Correct.
Diba? Or you're healthy, wala ka namang pera.
Wala ka namang wealth.
Wala ka namang wealth.
Diba?
Oo, ganon.
Yeah. I think that is also very important because I think the older you get, I think you get very specific as to like what success means to you.
Yeah.
Because you will realize later on na iba-iba pala talaga siya. Of course, in your 20s, you get downloaded a picture of success. But again,
Yeah.
I think the sooner you realize that you don't have to stick to that idea, it can just be an inspiration, but ultimately it is up to you.
Correct.
That is something that is, I think, incredibly liberating.
And to add to that, sabi mo nga, the sooner you realize, the sooner you also realize that life is short. Mas lalakas ang loob mo
Yeah.
to reach for the things that you want to try
Yeah.
and you want to do.
Yeah.
Kasi if you think na ang haba ng buhay, next year na yan, 2 years from now na yan, 5 years from now na yan.
Aha.
Ay, kailan, di ba?
Yeah.
Kung if you think you have time,
So because, dahil RuGirl ka, mag-RuPaul quote na rin tayo dito. I remember this quote from RuPaul sa Drag Race UK Season 2 when they came back after the lockdown. Merong isang episode doon na parang binibigyan ni Ru ng encouragement yung isang queen na parang, nasa lockdown tayo. Listen, the world might be ending and there is no better time to do you than now. When I heard that, I was like, wow, that's pretty powerful.
pero alam mo, here's the thing, the young ones that are listening to us right now, hindi yan magsisink in sa kanila
Correct. Yeah.
until it's too late.
Yeah, yeah.
So, magpapaka-unsolicited advice na rin ako, no? Gawin nyo na yung gusto nyong gawin ngayon pa lang.
Yeah.
Find ways
Yeah.
to do what you wanna do now.
Yeah. Is this advice na parang find ways to do what you wanna do now? Is this the particular advice you find yourself giving more often to younger people o meron pang iba?
Marami.
Oo.
Di ba? Parang huwag kayong sugar ng sugar. Huwag kayong cellphone ng cellphone. Alam mo, I think go out more and meet people more. Especially those who grew up with the internet.
Yes.
Find real human connections. Because that is what I feel like enriches your soul.
Yeah.
When you meet people
Yeah.
and really connect and find things that are different and the same with others.
Yeah. Something that kind of resonates with me rin, na related doon is, I think sinabi ni Amy Poehler to sa podcast niya, is it's nice to subscribe to the thinking that you are yet to meet you are yet to make better friends. Na parang, pwede ka pang makaharap ng mga tao magiging collaborator, mga people who will excite you and inspire you. Because I think we've been downloaded this programming na parang, okay, you meet them in your 20s and then okay na, tayo na lang.
Oo,
ha?
tayo na lang.
Diba? When in fact, no, parang I think you're depriving yourself of really thrilling experiences if you close yourself to the world.
At saka, hindi kailangan kaedad mo yung people that you connect with. Ha? The more connected queens that I actually have in my life right now are like half my age. Because I learn things from the young ones.
Yeah.
And I'm sure they learn things from myself, di ba? From me. So
Like
parang,
what not to do.
wag yung sugar na sugar.
Yeah.
So yun. So I think ang daming advice.
No, I think
Alam mo
it's so
yun, ikaw.
refreshing. It's so refreshing to hear that from you na parang you are still learning. 'Di ba? Like kahit I mean,
Kahit nakakapagod
yeah,
mag-learn.
Nakakapagod. Kaya again, kailangan niyo po ng Bear Brand Adult Plus para ma-absorb niyo yung information. And more than that, para, I think, absorbing information is one thing, but I think as you grow older, the way you apply that and make your own version of that lesson is something that's also like very, very exciting.
Ikaw, at your age, what do you think can you tell your audience as an advice?
Ako, I think sinabi ko na kanina yung parang you don't really have to wait for anybody to give you permission to do you. I think that's one thing that I always just swear by. This time in particular, I find myself parang realizing na I was always supported by the universe. Because it felt like when I was in my early 20s, parang so many bad things are happening to me. Like, why do I not have this? Why did I not get this opportunity? Why am I not friends with this? Ba't hindi ako na-recognize sa mga tao sa ganitong bagay? So parang it kind of, downloaded or parang sublimated into this thing na parang bad things are happening to me. When I take a look back at like the life that I had, I was incredibly supported by the universe. It was always leading me to my best case scenario. And that can be a placebo thing. And that's okay.
Yeah,
Diba?
yeah.
If you want to manufacture that delulu,
Correct.
go ahead because that will make you happier for that day. Like, go subscribe to that thinking. But now I find myself parang really putting myself in the situation and no, good things are always happening in my life.
What shifted for you to recognize that?
I think time talaga. It's a function of time eh. When you take stock of everything that happened to you, good, bad, hindi masyado, you will realize, teka lang, I was always supported by the universe, by my friends, by the world around me.
Yeah. No, looking back, no?
Yeah. So yun rin yung maganda with Pag tumatanda ka na, lagi ka nagsiswot analysis ng buhay mo.
Totoo.
Totoo yun, di ba?
Totoo yan.
No, totoo yun.
O sa shower, sa
Oo,
toilet.
diba?
Habang naglalaro ka ng Candy Crush.
Like ka nagsiswot analysis ng buhay mo sa totoo lang. Pero of course, this wouldn't be a Kaya Pa Ba episode with, a little manifestation practice. Okay? So, you are already 48.
Yeah,
I think
48.
pumayag naman yung team mong i-reveal namin yung age mo. Okay. Tinititigan niya po, kasalukuyan ang kanyang TA.
Pero mukha ba?
Yun ang importante.
Yun ang mahalaga.
Diba? But like, where do you see yourself 5 years from now? And I say that knowing na your golden
Oh my God,
years.
oo.
They're pretty near. They're pretty close.
50 takels na po ako.
50 takels.
50 takels, oo. Alam mo, one thing that I've learned in life is when you make plans for your future, it shouldn't be rigid. Because there are a lot of forces beyond your control that will shape your life. So if you have a rigid plan, how do I see myself 5 years from now? Something's going to break that and then you don't know how to pick them up ulit and put it together. Diba? So ako, more than me, I really am more looking forward of spending more time with my loved ones, with my family. I make effort to go home to see my mom. A few months ago, I was with her in Cebu. Ako ang nagtutulak ng wheelchair, girl. Habang may mga sumasalubong, ay, tita baby. Hello. Pero katulak-tulak. And I wanted to do that for her. Kasi parang, again, time is short. So, I just want to have more. I think it's more of values rather than
Tangible
career,
things. Yeah.
rather than career achievement. And it's those things that you may have taken for granted of when you were younger that you want to go back to. Family, yung friends mo nung kabataan mo, yan ang mga hanap-hanapin mo when you're a little bit older.
Oh my God.
You
Sobra.
go back to your roots,
Yeah.
your family, your relatives, your cousins, even yung mga cousins mo na hindi mo na kinakausap, you find yourself reaching out to them, hey, kamusta ka na? Etc. etc. I think you go back to the connections that you make.
Yeah.
So ako, ang dream ko lang or ang more time with them.
Yeah.
Like healthier, I want to be healthier.
Yeah.
I want to be more physically fit, mentally fit, emotionally fit to actually enjoy my time with the people I actually have connections with.
Yeah.
Longer time with them.
There's a strong air of selflessness that I'm getting. I think it's also a function of age. Parang you detach
Oo.
yourself more from, material things. Not because
Yeah.
you don't think it's important, but I think there are things that you just value more.
I think, gusto ko reiterate rin sinabi mo, Baus, no? Material things are important. They're not important. They're very important.
Correct, yeah.
It's just that there are more important things
Yeah.
than the material things.
Yeah.
If you find yourself focusing on material things, you're missing out on life really. Kasi there's so much more joy, love, mandaming may experience beyond material things.
Yeah.
Yun.
Ako naman siguro, like 5 years from now, again, hindi ko rin alam. Tama ka, like, as an improviser, I think, alam mo rin, dapat mas importante yung improv muscle than the plan.
Oo.
Kasi parang kailangan you know how to like pick up the pieces, like where to go next. Diba? But also, if there's one thing that I want, parang I still want to have agency over my life. Because, the world can be so overwhelming that you feel like, am I just a victim of circumstance?
Oh, yes.
Diba? When in
Diba?
fact, no, wait, I still want to have the agency to say yes to the things I want to say yes
Yeah.
to.
Yes.
Say no to the things that I want to say no to. I think, kahit yun lang, meron pa ako 5 years from now, I think I'll be fine.
Ang ganda niyan. Ang ganda niyang sinabi mo kasi pumasok sa isip ko is I think 5 years from now, to articulate what I said earlier, I want more freedom
Yeah.
to choose
Yeah.
the life that I want
Yeah.
5 years from now.
Yeah.
If I'm, ano ba yun, for 48 plus 5, 53, Diyos ko Lord. Alam mo yun, parang sana nagdadrag pa din ako. Because,
Yes
di
tayo
ba?
dyan. Say
Or
yes to
sana-
the things you wanna say yes to.
Yun.
Oh.
Yun, I think 5 years from now, that's what I want. More freedom
Yeah. Yeah.
to actually
Yeah.
still maneuver what I want and what I don't want.
Yeah, yeah. Because when as you live more, you realize you're just a very small dot in this very, very big world. So to have some agency of the life that you want for yourself, I'll take that. Like kahit anong serving pa yan na ibibigay sa akin ng universe.
Or make a difference for other people's lives also, for the better.
Yeah, definitely.
Not just yours.
Sabi nga nila, I do believe I have been
Changed for the better.
I love it,
Oh,
diba?
diba?
Minsan
Second
Tita Baby,
voice pa.
madalas Ate Guy.
Oh.
Yes.
Minsan Tita Baby, madalas madamorable.
Oh my God. Thank you, Tita Baby. This was so fun.
Thank you,
I mean, I
Baus.
always just love talking to you. You're one of my, I don't want to say queens anymore. I just look at you as a collaborator.
Oh,
And
thank
parang I
you.
don't want parang
Thank you,
whatever
thank you, thank you,
energy
thank
we
you.
have to be just within the construct of drag. I feel
Yeah.
like pareho tayong nag-agency and then we're both in the performing arts. We're both,
Yes.
queer men of a certain age
Oo.
trying to make something happen. And I love you so much.
Thank you, Baus.
Yeah.
And it's always a pleasure to actually be here in your sala set naman, ano, all the time and, talking and sharing ideas and expressing myself. Thank you so much.
Of course. And of
Feeling
course,
so safe here.
I love it.
Thank you. I
Pero
love you,
yes,
love you.
maraming salamat rin po sa ating sponsor for today, Bear Brand Adult Plus. Confirm tumitito, tumitita, tumitibay
Tumitibay pa
with
rin.
Bear Brand Adult Plus.
Yes! Thank you, Bear Brand Adult Plus.
Thank you and we'll see you sa susunod na episode. Maraming salamat. Goodbye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.